Hey, it's ClayTrader from ClayTrader.com. This will be a live trading video. I'll try to capture some live trades here, and I will keep you posted and try to keep the video as short and concise as possible. Okay, I have an order in to buy some at 59.60. This is based off of the 5-minute chart. So we'll see what happens with it. I will keep you updated. Okay, looking to actually pick some up here right now at 59.50. So let's see if it can drop down there and hit that. I changed 60 just because I like this moving average entry point better. But as low as it went was 59.51. So some people cut in front of me at 59.51. Good for them. They shouldn't, or I should have probably been on the same page as them and done that, but I didn't. So I will see what happens here. Okay, I'm going for something. All right, got them now at 59.95, and then it just explodes on me. So that's fantastic, but I think this move is well overdone. I mean, just look at how big this candle is. So 59.95 was my first entry, and I obviously now could have gotten a much better one, but I'll see where it settles down, and then I can short some more and build a higher position. So let's see where things start to settle down a little bit here. Looks like at 14, going to try to short some at 60.14. See if I can get some up there. It's hovering right around that area. There's my order. So I'm in at, now my order is 60.05. I will short some more if I need to. Try some at 60.19 also. Okay, so I'm in at 60.19. My average is now 60.09. So if it falls below 60.10, then I am in the money and feeling good. So let's see what happens here. If it can pull back some here. I still do have capital left that I need to short some more. Like I said, very overextended move, and I don't need I don't need it to reverse or anything like that. Just need a pullback, and everything will, work out in my favor here. So let's see what happens though. Seems to have some support here around the 60.15 mark. Yeah, 60.15, definitely an area of support here, just from watching the level 2s, but there, that is broken. Now let's see if it can pull back. There we go. And I am all out for $110 on that trade. Like I said, just needed a pullback. There is a pullback that I wanted. It very well may break back down below 60, which would give me an even bigger score, but I'm talking, eek, that hurts. Oh, that really hurts. But hey, it is what it is, 110 bucks, so let's see if I can catch some more. Now I'm going to go try to buy some to go long here at 59.90. Big red candle, pretty overextended. So if it could drop down just a tad bit more to 59.90, especially on this candle itself, I would like that quite a bit. Not sure if it's going to be able to make it down there or not. Let's see. Okay, so I'm in. Now looking to sell at 59.95. Like I said, this candle is way overdone, especially after a big move like this. So, I like that initial entry. Let's see if it can get some sort of bounce back up here. If not, then, like I said, on the opposite side, I'll buy some more. So, man, how beautiful would that have been if I would have held on to those shares there. Nothing like torturing yourself in hindsight. But now I'm on the long side, so just got to see where it looks like this candle might want to even out at. and I do want to change that order. I'll just get out at 93 if it can get back up there. So I'll keep an eye on it, and let's see what happens here. So there was 90, so it's trying to bounce back up some there. But 90 is now going to be a little area of resistance there, since it was a support. So there I am at 93, and I'm out. So up 140 bucks now. You can see I would have ended up getting my exit point there, but wasn't the optimal entry. So let's see if I can catch some more. Maybe if it starts to head back up, I'll look to try to do some shorting here. But $140 now in 9 minutes, so I'm not going to complain about that. Have an order in the short at 60.15, so it's still got a little bit of ways to go here. Was an area of resistance over here, so that's what I'm kind of banking on again. See if it's another little area of resistance, and I'll just be going for a quick little 5-cent score. So let's see if it can get up there. Actually, looking at the 5-minute, 60.20 is where the price has bounced off twice. So I feel a little bit more comfortable up there. And if it breaks 60.20, it should go on a nice little pop. So I'll have to, then either just take a small loss there or look to average up. But it'll all depend on where it breaks on this candle. If it can break on this candle here, so you get a huge candle in and of itself, then that would be the ideal situation where I'd have no problem, building a bigger position. But if it hovers around here a bunch of times before finally getting up there, then that's kind of a whole different situation. So I guess the best answer to be, it just depends on what the 2 minutes looking like, but it's based off the 5 minutes. So just an example of how you want to use multiple time frame analysis to develop your trade ideas and strategies going into a trade. So 60.19 is where the level's at. You can see it's just hovering around here. Video's starting to get a little long here, so I'm going to pause it, and if it looks like I'm going to get filled, I will be back. Okay, I actually changed it to 60.28, so I'm in. Looking to cover here at 60.21. Really like this entry quite a bit. Look how big this candle already is. So let's see what happens with it. Again, I'm in at 60.28. And wow, this candle just keeps getting bigger and bigger, huh? So let's see what happens. If I need to short some more, as you've seen in the previous trades, that's exactly what I'll do. Move this, let's see, 28. So if I could get 23. I'll just leave that open right now. I won't worry about putting in where my buy order is. Let's first see where this wants to settle down some. See how high did it go? 44. If it wants to go up there, I will short some more at 49. But yeah, the reason I changed my 19 was just watching level 2s and seeing how it was kind of building up. It just didn't feel right. So good thing I did that, or else I'd be in a much different situation right now. So love to see it break below 30. That would be ideal. So all right, video's at 9. I'm going to pause it, and I will keep you updated whether if I short some more, if it looks like I'm going to get covered, or whatever the current situation is. Okay, I'm going for some more shares here. Short at 60.46. Seems to be struggling a little bit around here. So let's see if it can get back up there. I have 500 of my 750. So now my average is 60.35. See if I can get some more at 60.44. Really seems to be struggling around here, especially when you look at the candlesticks here. I will keep you posted. All right, well, things just happened way too fast, and I don't have time to, click record and start talking. I got to take advantage of the dips as they happen. So to review what happened, let's see. I shorted my 1,000 at 60.44. Shorted 750 at, they only gave me a partial at 60.46. So my average was 60.38 or 60.38 and a half something. So then I covered there at 60.36, and then for a nice gain there of 31 and then 31. So I was I think 140 going into this trade. Now I'm at 301. So whatever that math is, 170 bucks or something on the trade. And like I said, like the candlesticks that were forming, and sure enough, there was the pullback there. Sorry I missed it, but I'm clicking away on all this stuff, getting my orders filled, and it just didn't work out quite well. But at least you saw the logic and why I was having the orders where I had them. But with that, video is at 11 minutes, so I need to wrap this up. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn how to use charts and technical analysis and candlesticks in your trading, doesn't need to be day trading, can be used for any time frame, any strategy, then I'd encourage you to go to ClayTrader.com. That's my blog, or you can click in the links below. Check out my course store. Offer multiple courses on this stuff, how to read charts and trade like this. So check that out. Also have a trading group where you can hang out with me and other traders in a live chat room. Have a weekly newsletter that I send out some scans. Everything very fairly priced. So check that out, and hopefully decide to join us. So thanks, and have a good one. Hopefully you learned something.